Belle Mariano is a Filipino actress, singer and model. She was born on June 10, 2002 in Pasig, Philippines. Her parents are Michael Mariano and Katrina Mariano. Similarly, Belle's father is a businessman while her mother is a housewife. She grew up with a sister, Daniella Mariano, and a brother whose name has yet to be revealed. Belle's nationality is Filipino and she is of Asian ethnicity. In 2022, she opened the year through her successful concert Daylight, a Belle Mariano Digital Concert which was streamed via KTX.ph. Her guest performers for the concert include Kylie Ekari, Ben and Ben, singer-songwriters Jada Avantgado, S.A.B., Trisha Denise, and her love team partner Donnie Pangilinan. As her first acting project of the year, she starred in the third season of I Want TFC's original anthology series, Click, Like Share for the episode Swap with former Pinoy Big Brother housemate and fellow Rise artist Shania Gomez. Belle Mariano is a lovely Filipino actress who has acted in several films, advertisements, and music videos. Mariano began appearing on television at the age of 9, playing supporting roles and starring in the comedy-themed show Goen Bulilit. She is best known for starring in the film Four Sisters Before the Wedding and the television series He Is Into Her. In 2021, the long-awaited series He Is Into Her had its record-breaking launch as it crashed the streaming platform I Want TFC upon its release due to the surge of the number of viewers who wanted to watch the premiere episode. The series was marked a huge success as it continuously trended all throughout its run and also helped the I Want TFC app to top all free entertainment apps in the country. It was also the number one most watched series on the streaming platform. In the same year, Mariano also made her mark in the music scene. She released a debut song Kang Ako Nalang for the special compilation album Kumu Summer Album under Belief Music. Shortly after, she released her debut single Sigurado under Star Music which was also included in the soundtrack of her series He Is Into Her. She also released a debut album Daylight under Star Music as well as music video for lead single Tanging Dahilan. She also released a visualizer video for Your Eyes Only, music video for Rise and performance video for Nights of December 2021. Her track for Your Eyes Only also became the OST for her movie Love is Colorblind, marking her second song to be featured as a soundtrack. In 2019, she was part of the year's batch of artists launched in the Star Magic Circle. In November the same year, it was announced that Mariano will be teaming up with Donnie Pangilinan for He Is Into Her, an I Want TFC original series directed by Chad Bidanes that is based on the 2013 Wattpad novel of the same name by Maxi Nejiji. In 2020, she had a cameo appearance in the film James and Pat and Dev. She played the role Trish, hinting the future romance with Dev, Pangelinan's character in the film and previewing her love team partnership with him as Dunbell. In 2018, she made appearances in the television series Bagani. In 2017, Mariano reunited with her Lorenzo's Time co-star Jay Jian Joranila and paired up together for a Malala Mo Kaya episode, Cell Phone. In 2015, she graduated in Goen Bulilit alongside fellow Bulilits Carl and Miguel.